Hey everyone, hope this video is helpful to you. If you're watching it, you probably have a Samsung washer that is not spinning. This is a direct drive motor, top loaded, no agitator. I'll put the model in the description, but if you're not spinning, the first thing to do before you pull it out, before you call a repairman, try to do a reset. It basically recalibrates the spinning mechanism down in here. So here's how you do that. You're going to turn your system on. Hopefully everything seems like it's working. You're just getting you're not getting a spin happening. And then so what you want to do is just to reset it, you're going to hit temp and delay end. You have to hit them at the same time. Okay, it's not hold this and then that. You have to push them at the same time. So I'm going to try to do it with one hand here. You hold it down for 3 seconds. So here we go. Okay, and you'll see that CB there. Once you see that, go ahead and hit the start button, and then it should start to kind of do its thing. It might try to drain for a minute first, but then you should start to see the basket moving in there at that point, and it'll go through a calibration system. This happened to me. I thought it was broken, but it ended up working after that. So I think the heavy load just threw it out of balance. And once I did this, it worked again. So make that your first step. Hopefully that works for you. Good luck. If not, hopefully you find a solution. But that worked for me. Thanks. Cheers.